I'm sharing this amazingly delicious bitter gourd recipe. These are the ingredients. Check written ingredients in the end of the video. 2 cups of thinly cut bitter gourd Karela or bitter melon. I didn't cut the skin, nor remove the seeds. Just wash and cut into thin slices. Add 1/2 tablespoon of salt. Mix and press with a heavy bowl on top. Let it sit for 30 minutes. During this period, deep fry these almost 2 cups of thinly sliced onions until lightly browned. Remove by draining the oil. After 30 minutes, squeeze the bitter gourd and drain all the excess water. Fry bitter gourd for 2 minutes. Remove by draining the excess oil. On medium heat. In a medium-sized frying pan, add tablespoon of oil, pinch of cumin seeds, fenugreek seeds, fennel seeds, and black seeds. Sauté for 1 minute and add 1 tablespoon of tomato puree or 1 medium-sized blended tomato. Add these spices. Sauté for 2 or 3 minutes. Add little bit of water if needed. Check out the consistency. Add fried bitter gourd. Mix and cook for 1 minute. Now add fried onions, mix and cook for another minute. I'm adding 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Taste it before adding salt. And turn off the stove. Serve with roti, flatbread or tortillas. If you like this recipe, kindly hit the like button, and if you have any questions or suggestions, let me know in the comments below. Enjoy! Thanks for watching.